As a language model, I am capable of generating texts of up to 2,000 words on the topic of how to grow sprouts at home. Below is a sample article. How to Grow Sprouts at Home, a comprehensive guide. Growing your own sprouts at home is a fun and easy way to incorporate fresh, healthy greens into your diet. Sprouts are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and they can be used in a variety of dishes such as salads, sandwiches, and stir-fries. Plus, growing sprouts requires minimal space, equipment, and time, making it a great option for anyone looking to start a home garden. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps of growing sprouts at home, from selecting the seeds to harvesting and storing the sprouts. Step 1: Choose the right seeds. The first step in growing sprouts at home is to choose the right seeds. You can purchase sprouting seeds online, at health food stores, or at some garden centers. Some of the most popular seeds for sprouting include alfalfa, broccoli, radish, mung beans, and lentils. When selecting your seeds, make sure they are fresh and of high quality. Look for seeds that are specifically labeled as sprouting seeds, as these are treated to ensure they are free of bacteria and other contaminants. Organic seeds are also a good choice if you want to avoid pesticides and other chemicals. Step 2: Soak the seeds. Once you have your seeds, the next step is to soak them. Soaking helps to activate the seeds and start the sprouting process. To soak the seeds, place them in a clean glass jar or sprouting tray and cover them with water. The amount of water you use will depend on the type and quantity of seeds you are using. As a general rule, use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of seeds per quart of water. Let the seeds soak for several hours or overnight, then drain off the water using a strainer or cheesecloth. Step 3: Rinse and drain. After soaking, it's important to rinse and drain the seeds regularly to keep them moist and prevent mold or bacterial growth. Rinse the seeds with clean water 2 to 3 times a day, and drain off the excess water each time. You can use a strainer or cheesecloth to do this. Step 4: Watch them grow. As you continue to rinse and drain the seeds, you will start to see them sprout and grow. Depending on the type of seeds, this process can take anywhere from a few days to a week or more. Keep the seeds in a warm, dark place during this time.